Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna answer the question, does a Tapo sensor need a hub? And the answer is yes. You see here, Tapo Hub required for this Tapo Smart Contact Sensor. So I have the sensor working here. You see, for example, when I close the sensor, I have some automation so I can turn on a lamp because it's connected here to a Tapo plug and works pretty fine because it's using this hub here. So that's the smart hub from Tapo, the H200, but it also works with other hubs like the H100, for example. I'll leave the link here in the description, okay? And you see that I have different sensors here as well. This one, for example, is a motion sensor. And then I have the temperature sensor, and they all require a hub, okay? So here's your answer. Yes, a Tapo sensor needs a smart hub to work with, all right? I hope you like this video. Leave your comments and your thumbs up, and I see you in the next one.